Question number 21. There are some students in the two examination halls A and B. To make the number of students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from A to B. If 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A becomes double the number of students in B. Then find the number of students in both halls. ரெண்டு ஹாலில் சப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் எழுத ரெடியாக இருக்காங்க. ரெண்டு ஹால்லையும் ஈக்குவலாக ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு ஏலேருந்து பிக்கு எழுப்புறாங்க. 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் சென்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஏ டு பி. அப்போ ஏ ஹாலில் 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்மியாகிடுவாங்க, பி ஹாலில் 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிடுவாங்க. அப்போ ஏ ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஏ அண்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் பி ஈக்குவல் ஆகிடும். செகண்ட் கேஸு 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் சென்ட் ஃப்ரம் பி டு ஏ. 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு பி ஹால்லேருந்து ஏ ஹாலுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சா ஏ ஹாலில் எவ்வளோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருப்பாங்கன்னா பி ஹாலில் எவ்வளோ இருக்காங்களோ அதை போல டபுளில் இருப்பாங்கன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஈச் ஹால், போத் த ஹால்ஸ். Let the number of students in hall A be X number of students. Let the number of students in hall B be Y number of students. இப்போ இது 10 students, இது case 1. 10 students from A sent to B. 10 students from A sent to B. Therefore, x minus 10 equal to y plus 10. Now equal number of students are in the class. X minus 10 equal to y plus 10. Therefore, if I x in the x minus y equal to 10, in the minus 10 in the plus 10, x minus y equal to 20. Equation 1. Now condition 2, case 2. Case 2. 20 students sent from B to A. 20 students sent from B to A. That is ஏல 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிடுவாங்க, ஏல 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிடுவாங்க, பியில் 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்மி ஆயிடுவாங்க. பியில் 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்மி ஆயிடுவாங்க. இப்போ என்ன கண்டிஷன்னா நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஏ பிகம்ஸ் டபுள் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் பி. அப்போ திஸ் இஸ் த நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஏ, இது நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் பி இஸ் ட்வைஸ். ட்வைஸ்னா 2 times. இப்போ ப்ராக்கெட் ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறோம். x plus 20 equal to 2y minus 40. X minus 2y equal to minus 40 minus 20. X minus 2y equal to minus 60. Equation number 2. First question, x minus y equal to 20. Now you have to coin of x is same and a sign margina cancel ஆகும். அப்போ இது minus plus minus. So plus x minus x cancel, minus 2y plus y minus y equal to minus 60 minus 20 minus 80. Both sides sign cancel பண்ணா y is equal to 80. Substitute y is equal to 80 in 1. X minus y is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 80 plus 20, 100. So x is equal to 100, y is equal to 80. What is x? Number of students in hall A. 100. Number of students in hall B is 80. Number of students in hall A is x. X is 100. Number of students in hall B is 80. Question number 22. The angles of a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD are angle A equal to 6x plus 10 degree, angle B equal to 5x degree, angle C equal to x plus y degree, angle D equal to 3y minus 10 degree. Find x and y and hence values of the four angles. What is the cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral in which all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral in which all the vertices A, B, C, D are lie on the circumference of the circle. That is why it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. One of the property of cyclic quadrilateral is sum of the opposite angles are supplementary. Angle A plus angle C equal to supplementary means 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180. But using this property, we are going to solve this sum. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. We have to sum of all angles, sum of the two angles is equal to supplementary means sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D equal to 180. Angle A 6x plus 10 degree plus C x plus y degree is equal to 180. Now 6x plus x 7x plus 10 plus y equal to 180. Now this 10 go to the right hand side. 7x plus y equal to 180 minus 10 equal to 170. Therefore, 7x plus y equal to 170, equation number 1. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180. Pi is degree plus D 3y minus 10 equal to 180. Now remove the bracket. Pi x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 180. So minus 10 go to the right hand side. Ix plus 3y equal to 180 plus 10 190. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 7x plus y equal to 170. Equation 1. Ix plus 3y equal to 180. Equation 2. What to cancel y? To cancel y, first equation multiplied by 3, second equation multiplied by 1. Equation 1 into 3. Equation 1 into 3. 21x plus 3y equal to 0. 3 sevens are 21 by 10. Equation 2 into 1. 5x plus 3y equal to 180. Now cancel. So for the y is same but opposite sign. Change minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Plus 3y minus 3y. Cancel. 21x minus 5x 16x equal to 0, 32, 320. Therefore x is equal to 320 by 16. Ones are, twos are, x is equal to 20. Substitute x is equal to 20 in first equation. 7x, 7 into 20 plus y equal to 170. y is equal to 170. This is 7 into 20, 140. 140, right hand side portion minus 140 equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. The first is find x and y. X is equal to 20, y is equal to 30, and hence value of 4 angles. You have to find angle A. Angle A. Angle A is equal to 6x plus 10. 6 into 20 plus 10 is equal to 120 plus 10, 130. Angle B equal to 5 degree. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. 100 degree. Angle C equal to x plus y. X plus y is 20 plus 30 equal to 50 degree. Angle D equal to 3y minus 10. 3 into 30 minus 10. 3 into 30, 90. 90 minus 10, 80. Now, all the 4 angles are found. How to check our answer is correct? Angle A plus angle C must be 180. Angle A 130. Angle C 50. 130 plus 50, 180. Angle B plus angle D 180. Angle B 100. Angle D 80. 180 plus 80 is 100 plus 80 is 180. 130 plus 50 is 180. Therefore, our answer is correct. Question number 23. The cost of 4 pens and 4 pencil boxes is rupees 100. 3 times the cost of a pen is 15 more than the cost of a pencil box. Form the pair of linear equation for this situation. Find the cost of a pen and a pencil box. First, 4 pen cost to 4 pencil cost to rupees 100 rupees. 3 times the cost of a pen. 3 times the cost of a pen is equal to 15 more than cost of a pencil box. We have to form the pair of equation and we have to find the cost of a pen and the cost of a pencil box. First we will keep let the cost of a pen and the cost of a pencil box. Let the cost of Fn be rupee X. Let the cost of a pencil box be rupee Y. 4 pens plus 4 pencil is equal to 100. 4 pens plus 4 pencil box is equal to 100 cost. Both the cost of is equal to 4x plus 1 pen cost x rupees, 4 pens cost 4x rupees, 1 pencil box cost y rupees, 4 pencil box cost 4y rupees equal to 100. Dividing by 4, 4 table pogum. X plus y equal to 25. Equation number 1. Then second case, the cost of a pen. The cost of a pen is rupees 15 more than 3 times the cost of a pen. 3 times the cost of a pen. 3 times the cost of a pen is 3 into x, 3x. Is 15 more than the cost of a pencil box. The cost of a pencil box is y plus 15. 3 times the cost of a pen is equal to 15 more than cost of a pencil. Then this way, this side. 3x minus y equal to 15. Equation number 2. We got 2 equations. So form the pair of linear equations. This is one equation. This is first equation. This is second equation. Now solving 1 and 2. X plus y equal to 25. Equation 1. 3x minus y is equal to 15. Equation number 2. Now solve. Here plus y minus y get cancelled. X plus 3x 4x equal to 25 plus 15 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 by 4 is equal to 10. Substitute x is equal to 10 in first equation. X 10 plus y is equal to 25. Therefore y is equal to 25 minus 10 equal to 15. Y is equal to 15, x is equal to 10. Here x is cost of pen, y is cost of pencil box. Therefore, cost of a pen is rupees 10. Cost of a pencil box is rupees 15. Question number 24. Draw the graphs of the equation x is equal to 3, x is equal to 5 and 2x minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. Also find the area of the quadrilateral formed by these lines and the x-axis. First we have to draw the graph. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 5 is also a line parallel to y-axis. Now we have to find 2x minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. We have to find the coordinates. 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 4 இந்த மைனஸ் வைக்கு ஒன்று தான் ப்ளஸ் ஒய். இப்போ ஒய் ஃபஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஒய்யை லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் எடுத்துட்டா 2x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 4. இப்போ when x க்கு 0, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4. 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates are 0, comma minus 4. 2, comma 0. Third one, 1, comma minus 2. Then we have to draw the graph. Y dash, y, x, x dash. Then scale in x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. In y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. In y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then this is origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now we have to locate the points. First, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis. X is equal to 3. This is x is equal to 3. It is a line parallel to y axis. This is the line x is equal to 3. This is the equation x is equal to 3. Then second line x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. It is also a line parallel to y axis. This is the line x is equal to 5. It is a line parallel to y axis. For we have to draw this line 0, comma minus 4. 0, comma minus 4. This is the point 0, comma minus 4. Second point 2, comma 0. 2, comma 0. This is this point. Third point 1, comma minus 2. 1, comma minus 2. This is the point 1, comma minus 2. Now we have to draw the line. We have to draw the line. Draw the line carefully. Then extend this line. So this is the line, third line. This is the line. The equation of this line is 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now, this line, now this is x-axis. This is x-axis. Then this is the line. We have formed a area quadrilateral. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is point is C, this point is D. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We got the area. Now we have to find the coordinates. That is, this is D is, the coordinates of D is 3, 2. X coordinate is 3, Y coordinate is 2. The coordinates of C is 5, 6. X coordinate is 5, Y coordinate is 6. The A is 3, 0. Coordinates of A is 3, 0. Coordinates of B is 5, 0. Now, what is the length AD? The length AD is equal to 2. This distance 2. What is the length BC? BC equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the y coordinate of C. Then what is the length AB? AB equal to 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter units. Now, how to find the area of the quadrilateral? This line is x is equal to pi is a line parallel to y axis. X is equal to 3 is also a line parallel to y axis. Both the lines are parallel line. So it is become area of a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Area of trapezium, area equal to half into h into a plus b. H is the height, a plus b is the sum of the two parallel sides. Is equal to half into h is this 2, half into, I will write here, AD, height is AB, half into AB into BC plus this, BC plus AD is equal to half into AB is 2 into BC is 6 plus 2. So 2 to cancel is equal to 8 square units. Therefore, area of quadrilateral is 8 square units. Area of quadrilateral is 8 square units. In about 25, graphically solve the following pair of linear equations: 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Find the ratio of their areas of the two triangles formed by these lines representing this equation with the x-axis and these lines with the y-axis. முதல் இந்த ரெண்டு லைனோட கிராஃபை போட்டுட்டு இந்த ரெண்டு லைனும் y-axisோட ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் மேக் பண்ணுது. அந்த ஏரியாவையும் அதே அந்த ரெண்டு லைனையும் x-axisோட ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் மேக் பண்ணுது. அந்த ஏரியாவுக்குள்ள ரேஷியோவை கேட்குறாங்க. First we will find the coordinates. 2x plus y equal to 6. 2x plus y equal to 6. இப்போ coordinates கண்டுபிடினா y is equal to 6 minus 2x. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0 equal to 6. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. 6 minus 2, 4. when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 into 2 into 2, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Therefore, the coordinates are 0, 6, 1, 4 and 2, 2. Now, second line, 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 2 equal to y. இப்போ y right hand side போகிறேன். இப்போ we can write y is equal to 2x plus 2. இப்போ coordinates. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 2. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2, 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore, the coordinates are 0, 2, 1, 4 and 4, 6. Sorry, 2, 6. Now we have to draw the graph. Y dash x dash. This is origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Both are 1 unit. Now we have to draw the graph. First point 0, 6. 0, 6 this point. Second point 1, 4. 1, 4. This is 1, this is the point 1, 4. Third point 2, 2. 2, 2. This is the point 2, 2. Now we have to draw the line. Now draw a line. This is the line. Draw a smooth line. The equation of this line is 2x plus y equal to 6. Equal to 6. Then second, 2 is this point. 0, 2, 1, 4 this point. And 2, 6 this point. Now we have to draw this. This is the second line. Equation of this line is 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now, an area is formed between this line and the x-axis. This is y-axis, sorry. So, this area is formed between this line and the x-axis. The coordinate is 1, 4. This coordinate is 0, 6. This coordinate is 0, 2. If we keep this is A, this is B, this is C. Area of triangle ABC. Then one more, if we extend this line, this cut the x-axis at is minus 1, 0. This point is D. This point is D. This point is E. Another triangle CDE. First triangle ABC. Second triangle CDE. So triangle is formed. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. Half into base is AB into height. Height is this side. This side is 1. This side is 1. Into height. Half into this is 2 to 6. 2 to 6. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. We got 4 into height is 1. So this is 2 square units. 2 square units. Then area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle CDE. The base is 1, 2, 3. This one 4 centimeter. Up into this base is DE into height. This height is this. This height is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This is the height. For this is the height. So half into 4 into 4. It is 2 to cancel 8 square units. Now, what to find area of the triangle formed by this line with the x-axis and the lines with the y-axis. Therefore, area of triangle DCDE is to area of triangle ABC is 8 is to 2 is equal to 4 is to 1. Is cutting by 2 tables, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 1, the area is 4. So this area is 8 square units, this area is 2 square units, the ratio is 2 is to 1. With this I completed all the extra and important questions. You practice these questions carefully and get good marks. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி.